What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton, 419 Council Drive, 219-628-0288. Today, guys, this is our feature vehicle that we just got finished. We'll be leaving here shortly when the client gets here. This is a 2023 Volkswagen Atlas R line. Super cool vehicle, some of the nicest paint that I've seen thus far here recently with you guys in all of our previous videos hear me talk about the horrible paint, thin paint, paint nubs, and fish eyes and stuff. This was actually stunning quality on paint, so kudos to Volkswagen. So anyway, what we did to this vehicle is a full decon. It's brand new, there's only 100 miles on it, but full decon, clay bar, polish. Then we went and done a full frontal with rockers with the Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion built-in ceramic coating, self-healing. So we got the full frontal done, mirrors, all the rockers, did the door cups they added on, we did the door edges all the way around, and then the seal plates going in and out of the car. Then we ceramic coated it with the Ammo Pro Coat, double stacked, so they come out absolutely stunning. And then we done the insides as well. Get my key here, people, sorry. I hate when they lock to that. Absolutely stunning leather. Insides was all with the Expel Fusion carpets and leather and trim. That's all been completed. You can't beat the Germans on their quality, that is one thing. Then we finish it off with a true ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are different from your paint, from your glass, from your trim, and from your rims. Ceramic coatings for rims is a whole different makeup. We can get into the science behind it. Actually, Kenny and I are going to do a video here soon. We keep talking about it, but we've been so busy. Rims should be ceramic coated with them off and cleaned, not just the face like you see everybody do. Check out videos of all the places that they're saying they're ceramic coating your rims and they use it for every other place on the car. Is it a source of protection? Yes, but nowhere near what it deserves. Rims need to be taken off. Make sure you're getting your money's worth and they're being done. Why just do the surface when 90% of the abuse is in the barrels? Heat buildup, road grime, everything else. And the calipers, we do that here. So we'll get more on the proper way of ceramic coating rims here in a video or two coming up. But we just wanted to showcase this vehicle. This is leaving today. We've got many more coming behind it. So if you guys are looking for any Expel work, give us a call. Like I said, 219-628-0288. We are slowly booking into April now. So we're very humbled with that. And then we got a lot of more new things coming up. The Lambo is getting ready to go in production, and we'll showcase some more cars here soon. For now, guys, love and happiness. Peace.